Taurus, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Taurus, let's see what is coming for you guys for the week of 11th through 17th of January 2021. What is coming for the Taurus people? What is coming for the Taurus people? What is coming for the Taurus people? Okay, let's see. What is coming for the Taurus people for the week of 11th through 17th of January 2021? Wow, Ace of Swords. This is the clarity. This is the truth. This is like victory. And for some of you, maybe it's travel. For some of you, let's see. King of Wands, King of Swords, wow. Justice, Six of Swords, Ten of Cups, beautiful. Four of Cups, Temptation, Three of Wands, Chariot, beautiful. Okay, so Cancer and Capricorn are here. Okay, these are the 1/7 of each other. Two of Pentacles in reverse is telling me that no more confusion, no more in and outgoing situation, no more, delaying the process. Okay. Things are like happening for you fast. So Taurus, if this is you, okay, and this is for you, you're going to have some kind of victory in which you will feel that, definitely you will feel that success, you will feel that purity. This is an offer also for some of you. The offer is coming for you, and you will feel that authenticity, that yeah, this person is telling me the truth, this person is loyal to me, this person is very clear right now. Wow, beautiful. So whoever is offering you this Ace of Swords, this pure kind of offer, true offer, a communication, that will be clear, that will be like very, very truthful. Okay, with the King of Wands, King of Swords, and the Justice, I'm feeling that maybe this person was not balancing all these aspects of their life in general in the recent past. Like King of Wands, King of Swords, maybe they were very passionate before, and they were not the determined and practical person, but maybe they were very practical, or they were not have passion. So these two things, they are now balancing within themselves right now with the Justice present here, and they realize that yeah, I need to balance all these things within me, all these qualities within me. Like I need to be determined as well, I need to be in the passionate energy to take action, to create balance in my life. So I'm feeling that this person is leveling up. Okay, maybe a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, and Cancer is also here. So Six of Swords, Ten of Cups, and the Four of Cups. I'm feeling that you are moving on and towards your happiness, but you know that I need to be in this kind of energy, in this higher vibe of energy. Till then you are not welcoming love. Like you know that I need to be in this kind of vibe so that I can attract the person of this kind of vibe. Till then, no, like not very focused on love, but you have that in the back of your mind. Till then you are just processing yourself, you are just progressing yourself, you are just working on yourself. Okay, Temptation, Three of Wands, and the Chariot. Okay, this is a very beautiful kind of energy from this card. I'm feeling like whatever was the temptation for you, okay, you are moving away from this in a very healthy and balanced way, in a very triumphant kind of energy. You have overcome all your karmic patterns, all your stuck kind of energy, all your dark sides, and now you are going to be that's the victory. Wow, that's the victory. Like you have done it in a very beautiful way. Beautiful. Wow. So what is this Ace of Swords here? What is the Ace of Swords here? What is the Ace of Swords here? Four of Swords. Yeah, after healing, okay, Ace of Cups, beautiful magician. Yes, you are manifesting it because you are now very strong with the strength energy. See, maybe a Leo you're dealing with, Gemini, Virgo is also here. You are very strong because you have manifested that change, because you have accepted that change, because as an earth sign, you have some, difficulties in accepting the change or in accepting the new things, but you are allowing things to happen for you naturally, which is beautiful. You have manifested it, the new love, through your healing, through your inspiration, through your, patience, okay, and through your work on yourself. Gemini, Virgo is also here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So all air signs are here. Okay, let me see. What is this justice here? What is this justice here for the Taurus, please? Tower, Hanged Man, Six of Wands. Yes. Wow. Here is the Empress. This is your own energy. Taurus, Libra energy is here. So definitely this is great. This is like, because you have gone through that hard period of your life, that hardship time, that very tough time of your life, okay, in which things were stuck, in which things were like falling apart for you. There was no balance, but you have created it within yourself. That's why now you are seeing it in your outside world. Wow. Because you have created that balance and created that patience and enlightenment, and also the word I'm searching for, like that, acceptance. You have accept everything to happen in the way it need to happen. Like, you are not forcing anything. That's why balance is now in your life. Okay, you have created the balance within yourself by being in the hangman energy, by being in that hermit kind of energy, that magician energy, and you realize that, yeah, these things are not good for me, that's why they are falling apart, and you allow things to happen for you, and now you're overcoming, and that pain also, that hard time also, you are letting that go of your life, and that's why victory is coming your way. That's why victory is yours. Beautiful. This is great. Okay, what is this 10 of Cups here? 10 of Cups. Strength. This really wants to come out. 7 of Swords. Knight of Cups. Okay, yeah. So you are now very strong. Like, you can see through the people who is loyal with you or who is not loyal with you, who is honest with you, who is not honest with you. So with the 10 of Cups energy, because you want a very honest and very long-term kind of partnership, okay, see, in which there is truth, in which there is clarity, love, abundance, passion, everything is there, but not lies, not self-sabotaging, not controlling, not deceiving anyone. So now you can see through the people, and you're not accepting any kind of offers which has their own means and which has nothing to do with your love. Okay, like, you are saying no to all those kind of offers which are just wanting the energy from you and giving you nothing back. You're saying no to those kind of offers because you want something 10 of Cups like. What is the temptation here? That's why 4 of Cups is here. That's why you're saying no to that. World card, 9 of Cups, beautiful, 6 of Cups. So this is the way. Wow. This is you are making the way for your own happiness. You are making the way for your own happiness with this World card, 9 of Cups, and the 6 of Cups, because you have worked on these kind of dark sides of yours, and that's why you are resisting all these kind of energies. Like, you are giving like putting them on the arm's length, and yeah, and that's why you are manifesting a new abundant life in which you will have your wish fulfillment, in which you will have that emotional contentment, in which you can feel that emotional stability. Like, you don't want anybody, any kind of soulmate to fill you emotionally, but you are going towards a true soulmate, which will be your, I'm feeling that this, you were wishing for this kind of person and they are coming for you. What is this Chariot here for the Taurus? Wow, Wheel of Fortune, beautiful. Empress, beautiful. Three major arcanas, and wow, wow. Taurus. Oh my god. Okay. This person is your divine counterpart, and universe has selected this person for you. This is like universe order to go for this person. Come on, this is your new next chapter of your life with this person. I'm feeling that both of you are made for each other. Like this is like connection made in the heavens for you. Beautiful. Lovely. This is great. So this is I have for you. I hope it helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.